have garlic parmesan, they have cheddar melt, crispy parmesan, jalapeno cheddar, everything, white sesame, black sesame, poppy seed, sun-dried tomato. So thanks for joining us at Have a Bagel a Day, and it is a nice bagel here in Phuket. If you like bagels, and I do, maybe you want to try Have a Bagel Day shop here in Phuket. And we're getting one jalapeno cheddar bagel, and we're getting one everything bagel. So that's nice. She's wrapping it up for us. It's a cute little shop across from Boat Avenue. And have garlic parmesan, they have cheddar melt, crispy parmesan, jalapeno cheddar, everything, white sesame, black sesame, poppy seed, sun-dried tomato. And these are some of the more fruit flavors: cinnamon, raisin, berries, and dried figs. So I'm just getting two. Go back and toast them at home. And how much is a bagel? I will have to check on the price there. Looks like it's about
165.
65.
165
for two. Okay, so that's about 70 baht for the bagel. That's nice. And they have a nice little place to sit down over here, and you can get a whole sandwich if you want. Smoked bacon, avocado, and tomato sandwich.
Thank you, guys.
And they have coffee and drinks. And December is our anniversary, so they have a board over here. Look at the nice little area. You can have a seat and try the bagels. Have a Bagel Day. That's the name of it. Isn't that nice? And they have a TV. You can just sit down and relax. And actually, it's a sign. It's a street scene of Tokyo walking. How about that? We'll be back in Tokyo soon. So, yeah, very nice. Looks great. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah. Look at that. I'm gonna test them. So thanks for joining us at Have a Bagel a Day, and it is a nice bagel here in Phuket. It's a great shop. It's just across from Boat Avenue. Stop in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.